What butter is good for diabetics? If you are looking to include butter in your meals, then you want to learn how to consume it before finding the best one. That is because diabetes can cause heart disease. Because it contains saturated fat and cholesterol, butter can increase the risk of heart disease. Therefore, we must think twice about our butter consumption. However, as we all know, butter is a staple food in many recipes. So most people find it necessary when they get ready to prepare meals. As diabetics, it is critical to find the healthiest option that also tastes good. Today in this video, we are going to find out the best type of butter for diabetics. Diabetics can consume butter in moderation. However, the content of saturated fat is high. Therefore, most diabetics tend to buy margarine as an alternative to traditional butter. Even though margarine has a lower amount of saturated fat, it has a lot of trans fat that also increases cholesterol levels. As a result, the risk of heart disease is comparable to that of butter. Plant-based butter is the best butter option for diabetics, especially those made with nuts, seeds, or coconut oil. This type of butter comes with low cholesterol levels and saturated fats. They also provide additional health benefits. We recommend using plant-based butter if you want a healthy type of butter. However, as a diabetic, you should consume anything in moderation. If not, you will develop additional health problems along with diabetes. Plant-based butter is also rich in antioxidants and vitamins. But the problem is that this type of butter cannot give you the taste that you get from traditional butter. However, as diabetics, we should not prioritize the taste of foods over the benefits they provide. However, if you still want the taste of regular butter and want to consume it, look for butter made from grass-fed cows. It is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. Finally, we can say you can consume butter in moderation as a diabetic. But before deciding on anything, please talk to your doctor. He will definitely give you a better idea about this problem. As diabetics, we should not only think about our blood sugar level, but also the level of cholesterol and saturated fats. You can minimize the risk of heart disease by following a routine of exercises. Your dedication will increase your lifespan. You are not a sick person if you understand and follow the best solutions available. Diabetics can live normal lives, but you should be confident about your condition. Thank you.